welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Happy Easter. Today I am doing a blowout, creating more like a leaf type of blowout. I did one for my hairstylist with a purple background and kind of making it like a vine or a tree with leaves. So this is on a smaller canvas, but I'm using Payne's gray as my base coat. And I'm using some really cool colors. One of them is going to be pearl white from Amsterdam. So it's probably gonna sell up with the other colors that I'm using. So I'm really excited about it. So let's get down to the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 24 by 30 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. And like I said, I'm going to do a blowout. I am using one of my favorite colors as my base coat, which is going to be my Payne's Gray from Creative Inspirations. Nice and runny for almost a Dutch pour consistency, maybe just a tad bit thicker. So my dryer will have to go on a little bit higher setting to get that paint to move. This is Bordeaux Red here. That is from Arteza. Got some 24K gold. I've got some Greenish blue from Amsterdam. And then I'm going to be using pearl white from Amsterdam. All right. So I'm gonna go corner to corner, kind of creating another vine with nice little branches. And yeah, that's what the plan is. So let's get flooding the canvas. Let's give this a quick torch. Okay, so I'm gonna start from this corner, kind of go up, kind of create a small wave. Okay. Here is the greenish blue. Gold. It's going to be really easy with the gold. Whew. I haven't worked with such thin paints in a long time. All right, let's do some Bordeaux Red. Okay. All right, here we go. like the hints and pops of red through there. Tell you what I'd like to see is maybe a little bit more color through there. Let's give it a try. Okay, that got a little more color into it. That's doable. Might have been too much gold. All right, that I can live with. Adding the color back in there really gave that some better shape. Brought this petal out that way, brought that petal out that way. Yep. Some torch and bring you guys in. All right guys, so here we are with the wet result. So I'm digging the color theme. It's a little on the nose with the patriotic thing. I really didn't plan to be red, white, and blue, kind of like, but it just kind of happened that way. But this Payne's gray is gonna dry really, really dark, and then the colors are really gonna stand out. So let's bring in for a close-up. Check out this little petal here, how it's got color at the tips. That's just so cool. Look how the pearl white is really selling up with these other colors. The Payne's gray, Creative Inspirations paints, when they mix with Amsterdam paints, they will sell up. Look at the edge of this petal over here. Look at that blue in the center, but then the color out here, that's really cool too. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, everyone, that is it for the painting. So it is a little bit wet still in the center, but look how it is drying. It's a little wet here. So, but that Payne's gray dries really, really dark. But I love the blowout and the petals and stuff. So once this dries, I will put I think 2 coats of gloss varnish on it. I don't know, maybe resin would be kind of cool. I don't want the resin to yellow over time, so maybe I'll just stick with the gloss varnish. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Love this piece though. It is so beautiful. Kind of having fun playing with the hairdryer again. So thanks for watching. Everyone have a great Easter if you celebrate Easter. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.